a dream that my poor little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today.
More than 50 years since his assassination, people all over the country are remembering the life and legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.
Today, students at the University of Toledo honored Dr. King with a day of unity.
The event had performances from the Scott High School Marching Band, local dance teams and choirs. Recipients of the MLK Scholarship were also recognized. Organizers say they wanted to create a unique experience for students.
The message was, what Dr. King fought for: equality, social justice, and bringing the community together, making sure that we're all united. And I think that's really important, especially in this day and age.
And proud to say every year, 13 ABC's Christian Brown MCs today's Unity celebration.